Live from the Siren AI headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm here today with Amir from Vital Veta. They're doing some fabulous work. We're stoked to have them. Amir, tell us a little bit about yourself and your Web3 journey.
Of course, yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here. Uh, Basically, I'll give you a background as where we started and how the idea was actually initiated. Back 3 years ago, I was also was in the same field in the fitness and also health, creating application in the different area and also coming to introductions of blockchain and Web3 and how we can actually utilize this trending technology in this particular sector. And how we start actually, we were thinking to come up with the solutions that it's going to be a B2C solutions providing to the community that we were building for so many years. And basically, also the element that I was very interested was to gamifying this concept for our community. So basically creating a different challenges as the way that they comes, the exercise, they do the workout, and they see the result in real time. And all actually was the idea that it was initiating in the first place. And then we were thinking, okay, now what we need as a technology to support this idea, how we can build it. So that's the journey that we start actually initiating, designing, researching, seeing who's in the marketplace, what the competitor is doing, how, and also being as a Web3 concept, how that actually can be integrated as a good solution with the real use case of the token utility, how this algorithm is going to work at the back end of the application and so forth.
Right. Very cool. And tell us a little bit more about the team that's cooking this.
Yes, over the 3 years, we had a good number of people supporting me through this journey, especially the come up and initiating this concept. Coming, we had a very good advisors, and also the team that it was actually the more familiar with the AI aspects of it, also the fitness. Then back last year, we set up our development team. So once we set up the development team, we had a blockchain engineer, we have an AI, obviously is a mobile solution. So we were working on the front end and back end. And then we were starting actually putting this puzzle together one to another. And through this journey, there were people that came to assisting us. Then we had two good CMOs that they were very good on launching similar solution, especially on the gaming of in the space of Web3, and then start actually building our community and introducing our concept till we went live.
Very cool. And tell us a little bit more about the problem that y'all are looking to solve.
Sure. Look, the issue is that we came up with the backgrounds of myself, being so keen and enthusiastic with the fitness, doing a regular workout, attending, group exercise, functional training, and seeing that, there are lots of videos in form of YouTubes, coaches are trying to, creating a sort of, community to start introducing their packages. And we're thinking, okay, let's come up and think it out of the box. Let's think that how we can actually create this marketplace. If you're a content creator, if you're a coach, if you're a fitness expert, if you have a good program that we can introduce it to either your community or the community of Vital Veta that we are building. Why not you come and showcase your solution for us? And obviously, there is a gain for you. First, your community will actually have this opportunity to also have an AI element, which we are going to talk about this later, and also the gamification, the reward, plus a place that we can promote you, and you can also bring your own community on board.
Wow, super cool. Let's go ahead and dive in and share your screen and kind of walk us through it a bit more.
Sure. I like actually to show you the pitch deck maybe first.
Sure. So while you're
just tell me when you're seeing my screen.
Yeah, we can't see it quite yet. Now we're in. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So I went through the introducing the Vital Veda. Basically what Vital Veda is, it's a solution. It's a solution that, it's gamifying a certain experience, creating a user engagement, boosting the motivations of users to come and participate in the challenges. From the years that we were actually putting this puzzle together, we did a very good comprehensive research on the problems that exist in this marketplace. As the one that it was very bold to me was the motivations that the current fitness solutions, let's say the application either on the mobiles or or other platforms is offering to user, is not actually creating that sort of motivation that bring the user back to the solutions, let them actually to just being active on daily basis and share the result and having that sense of community. Then obviously we came up with the solution that first we would like actually to incentivize the workout in a way that we're creating a challenge, we're creating a leaderboard, and we assigning the price, and said that whoever actually is in the top of the leaderboard will get that certain amount of reward, which everything is been actually designed and developed in our applications. The gamified element of it obviously is a community that is driving to this application. They like to compete with one to another. They want to see the result, and also tailoring a certain trending technology that to assist actually come up with the comprehensive assessments of your workout journey. So basically, as a user, when you log into this application, you will see a collection of comprehensive workout program, whichever it fits the best. You can come up and select. Either you're a fan of CrossFit, you're a fan of yoga, you're a fan of dancing even, or any physical activity. We try actually to give you the best solution there, that you can just pick up your program, see the details of the program, how you need actually to just join in, how to participate, and what actually you need to do every day. So as I was stating earlier, this is a marketplace. This is a marketplace for the coach, for fitness experts, for who have a great content to come up and introduce it to our community. Basically, as a creator of this content, obviously you will you will have a income, sharing income for the content that you have created, for the package, for the program that you are showcasing. And then the journey start. The very feature that I like the most about this application is the AI-assisted tracking exercise. We call it Move Master. So how is that work? Is that this is we are enabling an AI sort of enabled camera with this application. Basically, the user come up and see the program. If they want to do the crunches, if they want to do the workout, if they want to do push-ups. So then they have to position themselves correctly in front of the camera. The camera will actually come up and start creating a set of data sets of the movements from the different part of your body. So we are programmed this to come up and detect 27 part of the bodies, see the positioning, how that will be compared to the coach, and start actually grading this performance. So in this screen, you can see that participant finished, the user finished the workout. Now there is a personalized dashboard to say that, okay, how many rep, for example, you done for each program, what was your accuracy level, what the point you are getting, how many minutes, your exercise lasts, and how many sets you end up doing it. And at the end, as I was saying earlier, there's a leaderboard that accumulated all these points, and you can see your position, and as being a top 3 winner, runner-up, or third position, you get your reward as a token. Now we are introducing the utility token of this application, which we call it VVFit. VVFit is the utility token here that has a certain feature, certain use case to come up and creating these digital ecosystems of the application. The very things that we're creating as a utility here is, first, you need a VVFit token, obviously, to come up and join the program. So once you browse the program and once you select the program, then it comes as a fee that you have to actually just, as a user, pay for it, start actually just unlock that program or challenge for yourself. Part of this is going to be distributed to the content creator as a revenue that we were talking earlier for the people who created this content. Then we will create the pool of the reward, and we start actually distributing the reward once the program and the challenge is been completed.
That's awesome.
So
super cool.
we're talking
I had
about
one
the
question,
team.
Amir.
Yes, please.
Was curious, how does this kind of model differ from a move to earn model, and why do you think it kind of is potentially like next level up beyond move to earn?
Look, yes, through this research that we done, obviously there were move to earn,
Right.
very popular one
Step
that
in,
exists.
yeah.
Step in, and they came to the market. They done very well. But also we were very curious to know that, how the sustainability model works and how they can present themselves as a business that they can run for long term. And saying move to earn, or make it general, play to earn, we were then through this research, we came to this conclusion that this is probably not a sustainable model to consider. So obviously our challenge been programmed and crafted differently, as a way that not obviously everybody earning something out of doing these challenges. We're creating competition, and what that means that if a user wants to earn something, the user has to actually perform beyond the program, make sure that it actually show the commitment, finish that set of challenges that we have actually introduced, and then see themselves in the leaderboard, what's their position, and then we can actually decide that they win something or not,
Right.
out of the point and the score that they achieve.
Yeah, I love how gamified it is. I think that aspect is very on point.
Sure. So yeah, I was actually referring to the team that so far they were a good development team that they are working for us. So all together we have a team of 10 people that they are working on this project, get the financials, the development expert on the AI, and also now we are at a stage of a go-to-market strategy, and obviously get a lot of help from the marketing team.
Cool.
There were a good partner of ours that so far they believe in our concept. They were with us. They were supporting us, providing there's resources financially, community-wise, or technical. XCC network was our in front, and also providing the network infrastructure to us as the application has been built on their chain. Google for a Startup, also they providing us a 200,000 grant to start we start building our VM machine for our AI server using the Google Cloud, and other good incubators that they were actually helping us, polishing this concept for us, and advising us on this journey. And the current roadmap as where we are standing, as was mentioned earlier, we launch our application. The application is on the mobile platform. So we launched it on the Apple Store and also Google Play back in August 25. And first we were actually trying to test the market, seeing what feedback we are getting from the market, how the market is responding, and if there are any improvement that we need to do, any optimizations, any scaling. Then we came to the point that we finding ourselves to be comfortable with this development. We can now start promoting it, bringing user on board, and I can actually say that so far there is 30,000 active members sign up on our application, and they are using the application on a daily basis. We can see their traction, we can see how they're joining to these challenges, and because everything it's very transparent from the back end of which it's a Web3 back end controlled by the set of different smart contract, and all the participation, reward pool, and everything is visible for the user to come and see how exactly they are positioning themselves. We planning to launch ViviFit token, listing it in the SEX and DEX. Very good news for us. Binance Alpha and Gate.io both approved our listing. So these are the two good SEX tier 1 that we are going to list our ViviFit token, and the listing will be on April 25.
Okay, awesome. Super cool. Anything else you want to highlight as well on the product roadmap?
Of course. Just sharing another screen. So basically, one thing I'd like to show you is our application available on Google Play. As I said, 30,000 people already signed up, and start using this application. So you are in the comfortable position now to expand our reach, start creating more traction and bringing more user on board. For the next 3 months, we are targeting to bring 200,000 people on our application. So introducing them very cool feature, as one of them that I'm going to just share with you is this refer and earn.
Yeah, we can't see your screen. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah. The referrals. Get them cooking.
Yes. We launched this last week. It has been actually appreciated very well from a certain influencer. Actually doing the marketing. I saw that they are creating video and inviting their community to come and join on board. So basically how it works, as you can see, there is a dashboard inside the application with the unique code. You just come up and share the code to your community, to your friend, and both sides start actually getting ViviFit token. So it actually works as a dual reward structure. Also with our AI feature, we have our own AI feature, how the AI server work for us. We build this server ourselves. So I think better to show you a video as how exactly the application work, and that can actually be explained better.
Okay, cool. And would also love to hear from you a little bit more about the token utility, tokenomics.
Of course, sure. Then I will actually, let me open the tokenomics first. Everything that a user, investor, or community wants, they can go to our white paper. I will share you the white paper now to see. Give me 1 minute, please. So I was actually just talking about this referral campaign. So if you see my screen now.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, this is our white paper. So basically, it comes as introducing, Vital Beta. Here you can see, the Twitter, website, YouTube channel, Linktree. And if you want actually to learn more about ViviFit token, there is a tokenomics section here. And in this tokenomics section, we're providing general information about, ViviFit token, the total supplies, how this actually is going to be, utilized, distributing within, different communities, different sectors. And then the sales event on the seed round, which we have actually completed that already. Now we are doing our private round. What is the token allocation for the public round, and what is the token allocation for the public round, and how the vesting and the cliff is working for the token distribution, and what percentage they get on the TG. So everything has been explained here. And if there is any further questions or anything that user need to know, we can actually disclose more detail as how this tokenomics work for us, because this is a very important part of our business to make sure that these upon launch of these tokens, we bringing a very good tokenomic model to support or launch, to support the value of the token in long terms, and also the distribution will come up very wisely, in a sense that it just always make sure that the value and the integrity of the ViviFit token will be reserved.
Okay, awesome. Well, greatly appreciate it. Where can we find out more information about you and Vital Beta?
There is a website of us that you can find out the Linktree. From the Linktree, you can see all the social media channels, the link. We have now about 50,000 people on the 2 Twitter accounts, and also other social platforms like Instagram, Telegram community, Telegram news. Our Telegram community is always the best place to answer any question, any inquiries. And yes, please feel free to reach us on the Telegram community group, and we can address or answer any question.
All right, awesome. Well, greatly appreciate it, Amir. Super cool product. Love the fitness angle and incorporating that into Web3. So great stuff. And yeah, we'll chat soon.
Thank you very much for giving me this chance. Yes, please, any question, any inquiry, we are always here to address that. So please reach us. Please let us know about our project, about what you think. Download our application, try it for yourself, and give us the feedback. And we love to hear more from our community.
And get fit, everybody. Let's go. All right, Vital Beta, everyone. Thanks. Bye now.